Updating your billing address on Simplifi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Login. Access your Simplifi account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section of the dashboard. Step 3. Select billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit billing address. Look for the option to edit or update your billing address. Enter your new address information in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new billing address, make sure to save your changes by clicking the appropriate button, often labeled Save or Update. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date on Simplifi. Regularly checking and updating your information helps ensure smooth transactions and communication.